Okay, so today is a losing day where I lost 26% of the tiny account. How did it happen? Well, you can see here KTTA, and then how much is remaining over here? 123. The loss was here. Only one stock was traded, KTTA. Here, this is it. I bought at 40 shares at 397 at 707, 1140. I sold the 40 shares for 287. And that was a disaster, as you can see. So, how did it happen? I think yesterday I was triggered because I missed. You see, if you check the review for yesterday, there was this stock EVAX that I traded, but somehow I did miss a section where I was supposed to go in, but I didn't go in. So, and I made a little loss yesterday. I was more disciplined. And then I saw, of course, that I could have made much more. So that triggered me, I guess. Today I was still thinking of that. And second, I was like here telling myself, no, don't show these guys that you're making losses. And of course, well, I'm humbled. Instead of showing you maybe a loss of $2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or even maybe a gain of only $2, I'm showing you a loss of 44 USD, which 42 probably, which translates to that Canadian. Okay, so like these are some of the things. So well, here, so, sorry guys, that was the account making noise. Yeah. Anyway, so this is it. Poor entry. I chased that spike. Yeah, I entered. The retracement was not enough, and then I failed to respect the stop loss. So, in summary, and then risk management was not good. So that was, late exit, staying so late. Exit at 287, entry at 387. As you can see the times, this is absolutely not good. Okay, so here maybe that will be more clearer. Okay, so this is the chart of KTTA. If you look at it at around 655, it started shooting and it rose all the way from 239 all the way to 462. So of course it was over 100%, and that's what I mean, at least one stock was over 100%, and that gave me a desire to trade. So I waited for retracement. So I waited for retracement. I saw buying over here. You see this white candle over here? Yeah, that's where I decided, okay, let me buy it, and I bought it 707. Yeah, which of course tells you that maybe I wasn't buying at my level. So look at it. I do my fibs over here, here. I see that my 61.8% is here, but you know what? I had FOMO, fear of missing out, because I was like, oh, it's really going up, 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 rather than wait for here. So I didn't wait for my level. And not buying at my fib levels was a big, big problem. So the moment I bought, it actually stalled. If you look at it in a 1 minute, so 707 is here. 707 is here. So the moment I bought, it didn't go above VWAP. VWAP is a yellow line. So then it stays over here. Look, so the candle body is not that thick, okay, meaning the stock is stalling. And the next candle at 708 is even thinner, okay, meaning the stock is not really moving a lot. So it's stalling. That stalling, when you are doing a tiny account, is extremely important to respect it. Because I talk to myself, maybe it's not gonna move. It looks like it's not moving. Maybe let me exit now. Of course I didn't. Then when it's shut down here, then I began to not want to sell. Why? Because I was like, oh, I'm gonna show a loss, and I don't want to show these guys loss. And in the end, of course, I was so humbled because now I'm gonna show you a bigger loss. Uh, yeah, so I shouldn't have sold when it's sold. But even I needed to have a stop, you know. The stop shouldn't have been. So if I bought it here, the stop shouldn't have been at least here, the low of this candle here. Okay? Either the law of the body or the law of the candle outright here. So the selling shouldn't have been here. If I didn't sell here for stalling, shouldn't have sold here for coming down. The moment it's shooting through here, I'm selling for probably what, less than $10 loss. And then I held too long. Holding from 7 to 11 is criminal, criminal. You don't do that when you have a tiny account. Well, even if you have a big account, if you day trading is not swing day trading. Yeah, day trading is if it's not running up, you need to run out. That's what I needed to do. Run up or run out. That's what I needed to do. I didn't do that. I paid the price. So anyway, let's go back to 5 minutes. So as you can see, it goes down and down, and at this point, I'm hoping and hoping and hoping. Then it reaches my level, my 61.8% retracement, and it shoots down, and I'm like, okay, today now we are done. And as it does that, of course, MACD here, which were very good when I was entering, as you can see, the TDM squeeze were very good, but now they have converged. The MACD has converged, the TTM squeeze is showing weakness. And then, of course, I guess that's why the stock moved very, very, very slowly up, okay, from here. So this is, if I had been buying here, this is what, around $3 here. And then I could have sold it at VWAP, which was 354 for 50 cents. 50 cents is $20 because 50 cents time is the 40 stocks that I had on this tiny account. Hmm. Okay, so that's that. Then, of course, it reaches here. And then my hope at this point, because I was carrying a lot of hope, I was like, okay, it's gonna go shoot up even more. Of course, it doesn't. When the market opens, it shuts down a little bit, because shoots up to 388. Okay, which is almost the neckline of this move here. Nothing. Then it shoots down again. And that shouldn't have been also a warning that no, 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 something is not happening right. Because it shoots down below view up this yellow line, yellow curve over here, yellow line, and then again it goes up. That's now where I shouldn't have for sure be like, okay, we are exiting. I saw here, excuse me, here that was actually like I was only down $7. Can you imagine? Oh, but again, not wanting to show losses made me even lose more. So I held, and then when I reached here, I said, you know what? This is so wrong. Look, it's below this low here at 755. It's below this low here of 1050, and it's going down. This thing is not recovering. Finally, I was made to eat humble pie, and then I exited here. Long story short, terrible mess. And fortunately, we still have something. And so we will be back tomorrow, guys. Remember, let's keep the rules. These rules were not kept today. Let's keep them next time. Anyway, was there any good thing that I did? Yeah, I guess finally accepting that, you know what, I can't hold it for this much longer, exceeding. Anything else that I did good? I don't know. Not today. Yeah, not so good. Well, I guess accepting that I made a mistake, facing it, and even being willing to share with you guys. Because this account I really wanted to be a journey for all of us to see whether anyone can really you trade that tiny account and make it make money. We'll see. Yeah, so good night, good morning, good evening, wherever you are and wherever you're watching. Bye, guys. Let's keep greening.